Hey guys, welcome to another vlog, and today there's a comment and said that try the time zone, so we're gonna have a walk tour trip. Come join me and kung ano makita natin, mag-try. So let's go! So, pagpasok nyo dun sa red, may makikita yung mga games din dito. So, you see me, Taho. Oh, nice, Taho Story. They have this Zeus Coffee. And ito yung time zone. And ito yung na-mention kong may red daanan na bridge. There's a bridge over there. So, you can get that. And then, yun. Waiting for my friend. I'll show you around na lang muna. Oh, malaki din pala yung time zone dito sa Lucky Chinatown Mall. So, you can bring your kids over here. Malakas din ang sounds. Oh, mga toys dito. Oh, guess nyo what I'll be doing. Comment down below. But for now, I'll give you a tour. Bringing back the kid in us. But you can see all na you can bring your kids. Enjoy. Oh, ito pa, oh. Ikot-ikot ko lang. Ito. This is one usually dati. Nangalaro ko yan. Ito yung mga rewards when you get the sticker. Ano yan? Yan yata yung ball. Yeah, I made a vlog on that. Prinank ako dati na maglalaro. And then this one, sa game. Meron din dito. It's nice to look around and check. Para mabalikan ko rin, no? Next time di na ako iisip. Alam ko na ano ilalaro ko. Hope you're enjoying this vlog. Nilalaro namin yan dati. Yan, no? Tapos lalabas yung mga ticket. But this time, I don't think. Parang tap na lang yung card, then sa card na yung yung ticket lalabas. Yan. po mga hammer. Excited na yung kasama ko. Maliit lang, no? Ayan, oh, look, oh, maraming mga marami silang mga rewards. Karaoke in time zone. So, we're here. Oh, may pagkain ba rito? Bago ba yung time zone dito? Uy, kailan nag-start dito? Kailan? Last year. Okay, how to do a song. Huwag mo mahirap.
Wala ka, ano ba? Kasi may ano na to eh, may pera na eh.
10,000 reason. Eh, hindi, mali. Kala ko 10,000 reason.
Ito.
Ano yan? Talagang gusto mo yung carpenter. Sige, kanta tayo. Sige, makaluma. Ah, sige. Ahem! We are going to sing!
You are the one, everything else turns to red. Oh, eyes, inspiration, I need more to read.
Gusto kong kantahin, pero hindi ko alam yung buong lyrics. Yung walang ibang masasarap. Tin natin yata. Awit natin.
Hindi ko na.
Jimmy, o sino ba? Hindi ko. Isa lang siguro yan.
Oh, yan na yan. Go.